Hello, welcome back to the IQ Cars Garage channel. Please don't forget to click the like and subscribe buttons before watching the video. Thank you. The 2025 Honda Civic continues its tradition of sleek, sporty design with a modern touch. The new Civic features a more refined and sophisticated look, with a low slung stance, aggressive front grille, and slim LED headlights. Its sculpted lines and bold character give the sedan a dynamic presence on the road, appealing to drivers who seek a balance between elegance and sportiness, interior and comfort. Inside, the 2025 Civic offers a driver-focused cockpit with high-quality materials and improved ergonomics. The cabin is spacious and airy, with well-cushioned seats offering excellent support for long drives. The dashboard design is clean and minimalist, with intuitive controls. The use of premium soft-touch materials adds a luxurious feel, while the rear seats provide ample legroom for passengers, technology, and features. Honda has equipped the 2025 Civic with advanced tech features, infotainment, a 9-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and wireless smartphone integration. Safety: Honda Sensing Suite is standard, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, forward collision warning, and automatic emergency braking. Convenience: keyless entry, wireless charging, and a premium sound system are available in higher trims. Performance: the 2025 Honda Civic is powered by a choice of engines, including a 1.5-liter turbocharged inline-4, producing around 180 horsepower, and a naturally aspirated 2.0-liter engine for more fuel-efficient variants. Both engines are paired with a smooth CVT continuously variable transmission that provides responsive acceleration. The Civic handles exceptionally well, with precise steering and balanced cornering, making it a joy to drive both in the city and on the highway. Fuel efficiency: fuel efficiency has always been a strong suit of the Civic, and the 2025 model continues that legacy. With the 1.5 liters turbocharged engine, it achieves impressive fuel economy ratings, making it an ideal daily driver for those looking to minimize fuel costs. Ride and handling: Honda has fine-tuned the Civic suspension for a comfortable yet engaging ride. It absorbs road imperfections with ease while maintaining excellent control. The precise steering feedback makes it fun to drive, especially in its sportier trims, and it strikes the right balance between performance and comfort. Conclusion: the 2025 Honda Civic offers a compelling package of style, performance, and advanced technology. Its refined exterior, premium interior, and impressive array of safety features make it a top choice for compact sedan enthusiasts. With its fuel-efficient engine options and Honda's reputation for reliability, the Civic remains a practical yet exciting vehicle for a wide range of drivers. I'll thank you staying to the finish of the video. Don't forget to press the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.